Hi everyone. So ngayon Sunday. Walang mga bata. Luluto muna ako ng wonton. Gagawa ng wonton pala. For another week. Pang breakfast. Kayo dyan. Kumusta kayo dyan? I hope you're doing well. Kami dito, ayos lang naman. Kahit medyo malamig na yung weather ngayon. So, winter na. Kurong na po itong alingag-ngag. So, yung ginamit ko, ano lang, ground pork. Tapos nalagyan ko ng ginger, garlic, black pepper, salt, and yan lang. Siguro I need to add a little bit soy sauce. Mapaliw kung soy sauce, mabe?
Ano?
Soy sauce. Nagdagan ako kuan a little bit soy sauce kay murag luspad kayo. Soy sauce. Okay, thank you. Kaunti lang. Kasi pag magluluto ka na nito, nagdagan mo ng seasoning. Sesame oil. Soy sauce. Ano pa ba? Si Mama busy. Kapoy mo na yung mix-mix. Kailangan energy. So, mostly ito yung breakfast namin. Kasi pag bibili ka sa labas, sa store, yung ready to eat na, mahal. At saka yung taste na gusto mo ay hindi mo makuha. So, kung ano yung gusto mong mga taste, so, ikaw na lang gagawa. It takes time to mix this ground meat. Kasi pag hindi mo ini-mix ng maayos, hindi even yung ano yung lasa. So, siguro mga 5 minutes mixing. Tapos maya-maya ng konti, babalutin ko. Ma, gaya ko palihog og itlog mabing nga binatil na. Itlog.
Itlog. Pila.
Isa lang. Lungagan akong itlog kay murag. Tapot kay siya.
Dito na kung buwa piha.
Ayaw, batila daan. Oh, it's because it's not even. You can add another
Which?
layer,
Oh,
just like what you did.
another layer.
Yes. So ngayon dito, ano pa? 5 o'clock. Anong oras na ba? Magpa 5 o'clock pa lang, pero ayan, madilim na sa labas. Ano? Lagyan ko na isang itlog para hindi masyadong para add a little bit texture na medyo malambot-lambot siya ng konti. Yan, mix lang. Ayan na, na-mix ko na. Open ko na ito.
Ano yung tubig ay?
No, it's not water. Magkuha na ko, magputos na ko.
Nakapos na?
So, ito yung wonton shell na nabili ko sa store. Maganda siya ngayon kasi marami-rami. Yung kagaya nung dati. Isa lang yung natira dun. Pero ngayon, medyo marami-rami. So, tama-tama naman sa nabili kong ground meat. Ayan.
Habang sila magluto ng ilang monto. Wala may kanon ng ikuan.
Kanang kalha.
Ay,
Kalha raw na kong lutuan.
kane.
Yes. So, ito yung wonton shell na nabili ko. Para ano siya, fresh. So, tapos, kaunti lang yung meat na ilalagay na. Ilalagay na. Oh, teka lang. And then, water. Hindi lang, kaunti lang na tubig. Tapos, syrup na ganito.
Bili lang na yung trailer rin ganito nila dito.
And yeah, I fold. Ganito lang siya. Kaunti lang meat para isang soup lang siya. Good for one bite. Ayan. So, ganito. So, itong wonton, pero it takes time. Pag gagawa ka nito, it takes time. Kasi kunti lang yung meat na ilalagay. Depende din kung gaano karami yung gagawin mo. Ito naman, 4 kilos. So, medyo marami-rami. Para hindi na ako pabalik-balik yung kawa. Yung bata kasi namin dito, mostly ito yung breakfast niya every morning. Gusto niya laging mainit na breakfast. Kaya niya yung tinapay or cereal. Ayun lang ganun. At saka maganda din ito kasi malamig dito. Good for breakfast. Pag winter, sobrang lamig.
That's a pea one.
Patay na siguro na no? Ang kanin.
Luto na?
Oo.
Pati yan na.
Wala ka lang mamala.
Ha?
O pa na mamalan sa bawas.
Ambot lang. Imo man kang gitanaw. Itong wonton na to, gusto
Ako
din
sila
ng...
kasi narumutoyo.
Oo.
Lucky.
Itong wonton na to, gusto din yung isang bata dito. Hindi yung bata namin yun. Yung isa pa. Gusto niya ito yung breakfast niya. Kaya pag gusto nilang mag-request sila nito, meron ako naka-stock sa ref. So, kaya madami yung
Pero lang luma akong kalo.
ginagawa kong wonton. Ma, murag wa ka ni kaon aning wonton sukad.
Ha?
Murag wa ka ni kaon ani.
Wala.
Ito ganahan?
Ambot na. Wala, yes, doon, BJ na dere ba?
Mao. Ani lang dai ma kay katubit to imong lukuton. Kay kung imong lukuton mura bitag ang kanang siya gahi kaunon. Kay ani lang
Katong pigaon?
Ang katong pigaon nimo ba? Gahi.
Ah, gahi.
Nagkaon nimo kay nalukot magugayo ana. Ani lang.
Wala ko yung ako nagtaro.
Matay mo.
Wala, ang ko plato.
Kapag plato nimo.
Kita na ko sa Facebook sa ito. Kamera ng kat.
Gali. Asa ka ma? Opsi.
Di ko kita.
Ano?
Mag-open ko. Bilang ko.
Asa mama?
Hi.
Tagpila ang kilo sa Davao makaning kuan. Ground meat.
Baka ay Baka 300 kapin?
Ang kilo?
Oo.
Pareho gyapon kung ikuan ni mo dere. Iko ba isa ni
Ano yun?
i-convert ni mo dere. Pareho ra gyapon ng presyo.
1 ton.
Mura-mura ra gyapon siya siomay. No?
Oh, ganun lang. Pero kaiba lang ang style. Ganun lang. Ganun lang, Day?
Ganito lang.
GX.
Yeah. Wala lagi na imo ni dikit.
Like that.
Hello?
Like this,
I'm
yes.
calling you in the phone.
Yes! Who's this? Is this Mr. Kwang Kwang?
Hey? Hey?
Who's this guy?
It's the
Ay,
police.
gibasa.
It's the police.
Tabi, Day. Gini mabasa. Ito din ang tabi.
Hindi,
Hindi.
anak.
Ay, wala. Lagi na ako na.
Gamay lang. Para di mo pa. Is this police officer?
Lah. Huwag man ko magkadima. No good. Ganyan lang kadami. Isang subo na lang, 1 ton nila.
Yeah. That's right.
Para madali maluto.
Hello?
Kuan po, dili sumo ba?
Hello? I'm calling you on my phone.
Who's this? Is this police officer?
Yeah.
What can I do for you, sir?
There's a, there is, there was a bully game.
Hindi ko kumauro.
And he got there again.
Sorry, can you say it again?
This is drinking from Minneapolis.
I think he's not coming today.
What time he is?
Okay, pretend he's coming.
Kami isa ka bata
Ah,
nila.
I think he'll be
Panggabi.
I
here.
have a gun.
Kasi ang magulang nila ay gabi ng trabaho.
My gun is
Yun, iniwan sa amin. Hindi naman. Pangit.
Masubra ka gamay.
Ubira rin, ha?
Dili ana oh. Yana ba yana oh? Di mo kay mo ang giana. Iana oh, iana ba?
Nawa ko sa concentrate na yun.
Murag sobraan imo ka gamay.
Na-over ito kagamay. Like that.
Yeah.
I
Ayana
got
ka.
2 weapons.
You got 2 weapons.
Hello.
Yes.
This
What
is a
can I do
police.
for you?
I'm in the phone calling you.
Sorry?
I'm in the phone calling you.
Okay, then what are you gonna do?
Um, I'll be right back.
Alright.
I'm just gonna get something. I'll get something. You just still talk to me, okay? I'll get
Okay, talk to you later.
No, I don't talk to me later. Still,
Alright, you just call me if you have a chance.
okay.
It's more in your face. Lets me know that you need me.
Hello.
Yes, this is Jen speaking.
This is police officer speaking. But can you just call me?
Yeah.
But can you call me already?
Alright. Hello?
Hello?
Is this police officer?
Pretend I said police officer speaking. Police officer speaking.
Hi, this is Jen speaking. What can I do for you?
I'm not calling you. You were just calling
I'm sorry about that.
So what do you
So, I'm just calling you because, like, when I woke up this morning, I have noticed that my umbrella, the new one that I bought it was lost.
I'm not I'm not a fighter umbrella man. I'm a fixer man that fixes guns.
You are the one who fixed car?
No, the guns.
Oh.
So I'm fixing my guns. But if you come home, I will come back. I will call you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Talk to you next time.
Yeah.
Story aning bata dari.
Nami bata dire isa. Panggabi ang ginikanan ba?
Panalagsarong po na siya.
Madula na siya siya isa.
Panalagsarong na siya gabi.
Murder or accident?
Minsan
Paminsan-minsan.
pag gabi ang magulang trabaho. Isa lang nga bata.
Can you call?
Okay. Hello.
Nabalunan man ko.
Hello. Is anyone there?
Hello?
Hi.
What do you want?
Is this a police officer?
No, I'm the fixer man.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I called the wrong person. Okay, bye.
Bye. Can you call the police?
Yeah.
Can you call the police?
You want me to call the police again? All right. Hello. Is this police officer?
Yeah?
Hi, sir. I'm just going to report something happening in our
Just
house yesterday.
wait. I will say.
Like, I brought a new umbrella. Like, it's a big umbrella. It's new ones. I put it at the top of the fridge, and when I woke up in the morning, it's gone.
Well, when I was a little kid,
Yeah.
I buy the Spider-Man umbrella.
Oh wait, I thought you are the police.
Yeah. The police. So, this is the police.
How come you turned into a kid?
I did not turn. I was still 3 years old and I turned into a girl.
Oh, okay. So I heard that you're turning 4 years old on Saturday. How exciting is that?
Wait. I'll get you. Wait. Yes, just wait. I'm just fixing my gun.
Yes. Don't worry. Take your time.
Ah, good.
Wala man ko makita.
Aka.
Oh, ato mga J Pro ma kaya naguba.
Aka.
You're back?
Yeah.
All right. Hello. Hello.
That's me.
Is this the police officer?
Yeah, give me a second.
All right.
Okay, I was just a sixer man.
Oh.
Not 6 guns.
Okay, so you're not police officer now. Okay.
Can you call the wrong person? Hello?
Hello. Is this police officer?
No, it's the sixer man.
Oh, it's a
I'll fix
fixer
guns.
man. Okay. So what are you doing? What did you fix?
I fix guns.
Oh, you fixed guns. Wow, that's interesting.
And if you call me, I'll give you a gun.
All right. Maybe I called the wrong person because I was supposed to call the police officer.
Can you call me again?
Okay.
And you want the gun?
All right. Hello. Hello. Is anyone there?
Yeah, it's someone's here.
Hi. are you the one who fixed the guns?
Okay?
Are you the one who fixed a guns?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So what do you want?
So I got a broken guns here. Like I was planning to fix it, but no one can fix it.
Okay, I will get you a new one.
So how much do you charge?
Million.
A million?
It's a million. It's a million emerald.
What?
It's,
I think
it's $1.
$1. That really? That is so cheap.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you next time.
I will make you good.
All right. See you next time.
So next time.
Hindi ko daw ng labaw man dito. Basta.
Mm.
That's okay.
Ayaw lang kay ipaduol man kay akong ingon i-frozen para dili kay dili magdikit ba. Ano ba? I-frozen mo na. Ano pag gahi na.
Hindi uya ani isa ay di may reglaman. Uger kay ng ako de.
Tingnan mo ya.
And then you can.
Hi. You're back. Where have you been?
I was fixing a gun.
You're fixing my car?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
okay.
your gun.
Okay, can you just put beside soy sauce there?
Yoy.
So how much you charge? You said $1.
No, yeah. Here,
Just
give me $1.
just $1?
Yeah.
Oh no, okay. Okay, that's my $1.
That's a scissor. Pretend you just
Pretend this is $1.
give me $1.
Okay, there we go. Can you please put it in the counter? In the counter, please. Okay, do not run, okay? You walk slowly.
Patay ka.
Okay. Walk slowly. No, no, in the counter.
And the counter. Hey,
In the counter.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Wait, what happened to my...
Magsige na lang tani pretend.
Can you just call me?
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, like a person who fixed a gas or a police officer?
That person six cars.
Okay. All right. Hello. Is this? What's your name, by the way?
My name is the fixer man of six cars.
Oh, your name is Fixer Man. Okay. All right. Hi there. How was your day? Good.
Only one.
So,
Baby, only
so
one.
what can I help you?
Ay, do ha?
Can you just hang on?
Okay. Bye for now.
Dalawa pala. Huwag mo concentrate na yun.
Sadap rin pag una ma.
Over siguro ko kaganay.
Let's mom your face. Let's me know that you need. So, ngit-ngit na kayo. Saan na oras? Alas 5 pa lang din.
Mo nga ni, ngit-ngit na kaayo, alas 5 pa.
Nang ngit-ngit na kayo.
Nagbago ang panahon diri karon. Ang alas
Wala,
5
wala.
ay gabi na, ngit-ngit na.
Wala na nagbago. Same paghihapon na.
Wala lagi magbago ang oras, pero ang panahon. Dati ay ano ang
Pag
6
summer,
ay hayag pa. Pag summer.
Pag summer, alas 10 sa gabi, hayag pa.
Mm.
Pag mag-winter na, alas 5 na. Pag mag-alas 5 na sa hapon,
Gabi
ngit-ngit na.
Ngit-ngit na.
So,
Ay.
pag mag-drive ka, magalanganin ka ay ba? Sabi na, mag-drive ka suok-suok. Lisod kayo mag-drive. Hindi na tayo kalag-lag ilang Diyos ako. Hindi naman ko mag-drive.
Wala na drive.
Makuha taan ni asa ni matanggong taan ni 6 months.
Sunod yun kami niya si Mamang Gisal. Gali na magkanta-kanta sa ilaha.
Oo, pero panalagsar
Ya,
mo.
ya, di man po na siya mahilig.
Mauman. Yan panalagsar mo kung sila magkatakanta. Hindi man gid na.
Panagsara pa na.
Panalagsar lang kung na time. Try good na to. Kung na time lang. Busy mga tao dero eh.
Wala nakakanta.
Wala po lagi ka ni kanta mo. Nga duwa ka nagkanta ganiya.
Kumauday ko diha.
Di pa pala ikakabalo mo operate.
Kabalo man niya na sa una.
Oo, gali.
Dili, kabalo sa una. Iniglakaw ninyo, gipaandar ng daan.
Oh, mao ba?
Hmm. Magka-video ko yun eh. Kay...
Okay.
Ngayon, puto man ni Maan papa ni mo.
Oo. Oh, I think bye for now.
Bye for now.
I think bye for now. Amo sa ning daghan pa kami baluton.
Dagan pa nagbaluton man.
Bye for now. See you next time.
Bye now.
Ma.
Bye.
Bye for now. Have a good one, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.